Guys, this is Samsudhas, and in this video tutorial I'll show you how we can make this kind of navigation menu by using HTML and CSS only. This is totally responsive. It is especially made for mobile devices and computer. In computer you can see this is how it will look like, but in mobile device just right click on it, inspect, and go to toggle device toolbar. This is how look like in your mobile device. If you just click on this menu, it will be open your menu, but the text will be changed to close. Just click on close, it will be closed. Okay, so one more thing, you can get the source code link from the description of this video, and to learn about it you can follow my tutorial. You can watch the full video, and if you like this, please like, comment and subscribe to grow my YouTube channel. Okay, let's get into it. I'm using Visual Studio Code. If you use Sublime Text or any other text editor, that's totally okay. Just follow along with me. Open your project folder. I'll create a new one here. Just create a new folder, responsive menu. Open it with Visual Studio Code. Just add folder to workspace. There it is. Okay, add. From there, this is our project folder. From there I'll create a index.html and style.css, and I'll use little bit of JavaScript, main.js. okay, open your index.html, just shift and on, press tab. By default in Visual Studio Code this is generated by Emit, and by default it is added in Visual Studio Code. If you are using Sublime Text or Atom, add by yourself. Write responsive menu as my title. Responsive menu. I will use shortcut to generate my code, and Emit is very good. I strongly recommend you to use Emit. nav.naviga navigation hash. Don't worry, I will explain to you what it is. Menu span hash icon plus UI hash ULID. okay, let me explain this. You want to add a tag, you just need to give tag name. Don't give anything before the tag. And you want to add a class inside in this tag, so you need to give an this dot sign. This will be the class, and if you just write hash, it will be an ID. okay, and this greater than sign means inside this navigation menu there will be on span tag. Write like this and press tab. Okay, in span I will write menu. Just write as same as me. Inside this UL just write li greater than a, and a step will be nothing. Just write home, copy and paste it below. Solve for this HTML code. We just need to add CSS file here. Just write link. We need to link our HTML to the CSS. Just write style.css. Go to CSS part. At the beginning I just want to make everything zero padding and zero margin. just write like this. It will select everything. P0 tab, M0 tab. Let's work with this navigation. This thing just copy. For class just write a dot and paste it here. When you select an ID, you just need to press hash. Okay, for class you just need to press an ID. I think you know that. With on 00% BSEK background RGB 50 on 43 50 on 50 on. Okay, overflow hidden, font size will be 1.5 rem. On RAM is equal 17 pixel. Okay, but this is more responsive than pixel. We have made an ID of icon. Just copy it and paste it there. Just write shift hash control V. Color will be white. Let's select this UL, navigation UL. This is navigation UL. Okay, just copy it and paste it below there. UL, it will be select undecorated list. Text align will be center. Text transform uppercase, it will be all uppercase upper text. Navigation, just copy it, paste it below, and let's select the LI list item. List style none, we don't any dot or point. Display inline block. Text align will be center. Padding 35 px and on 0 px. Okay, let me show you how it's look. Make sure you save HTML and CSS file. Just open your browser. Now it's look like this, and it has the default style of link. That means our A tag, it is underscore, we don't want it, and the text color should be changed. And if I just right click on it, inspect, toggle device, you see that this is not responsive. The hover effect on list item, just copy and paste it below, and after this list item just write a colon HOVER. Change the background color. Just copy this background color and paste it here. On Visual Studio Code, if you hover over this, you will get a color selection. You can change the color, otherwise you just write the number to our ACR to pointer. Okay, let's style for our navigation link, that is A. Just write A in place of list item. Color of our link will be white. It will be change the color of text. If I change the color of this background, it will be change the background of our website. text decoration. We don't need any underline, you know that, so just remove the underline, just write none. We don't want any text decoration by default. Let's add some responsiveness here. So just write @media maxwidth, maximum width 768 pixel. Let me explain it. We are saying that, hey, if I change the width of my window less than 768 pixel, then only this will be affected, otherwise it will not. Okay, let me give you an example. Just write hash icon display block and margin 25 pixel. This is top margin 25 pixel, top left, bottom right. I think this is the order. Okay, let me open the browser. If I just refresh on the browser, you see this text has been changed. Inspect. If I just go to less than 768, you see the effect. This ULID hash. For selecting an ID, you need to give an hash. I said that before. Display will be none. For now, it will not displayed if I just go to less than 768 width of screen. Let's go to main.js. If you just want to skip the JavaScript code, what you can do is go to the link I have given in the description below as source code. So you can just copy the JavaScript code and paste it here. Make sure every ID and this every class name is same as mine, otherwise JavaScript will not work. Const menu is equal document dot get element by ID. We will select the ID of menu. We are selecting this navigation nav tag. Okay, now select the UL. One more thing, this is not dash, it should be equal. It must be equal. Const undecorated list menu dot query selector all quotation, single quotation or double quotation, both totally work fine in JavaScript. Const ULID is equal document dot get element by ID ULID. Now we are selecting undecorated list ID ULID, this one. Let's select list item li is equal menu dot query selector all. Inside this menu we are selecting all list item. Okay, li const icon is equal document dot get element by id icon. Okay, add an if else statement. If window dot inner width is less than or equal 7, 6, 8, will execute some code. If our window width is 768 pixel, then we'll add some code here. So let's add it. Icon dot add event listener will add an event that is click. That means when we click on this icon, it will be do something, that is we will declare in our callback function. Okay, we'll add another statement. Icon dot text content is equal menu. If our text content of this icon is menu, that is true, because we set it this is the id of icon and the text content is menu here. Okay, so this is true. Didn't include main.js in our index file, so before the ending body tag just write script and the attribute will be source. Just write main.js. Okay, ulid dot style dot display is equal DLOCK. That means when we click on the button, it will be displayed. Initially it was none. Okay, icon dot text content, if I just click on menu, the text content of this menu will be changed to close. Okay, else if icon text content is not menu, we'll add some style here. Icon dot text content will be menu. Okay, menu dot style dot height is equal 72 pixels. That means when our icon text content is close and we are clicking on this button, that means we are clicking on icon, our icon text content will be menu and menu height will be 72 pixel. ULID style dot display is equal none. Okay, save, make a function styling elements menu dot style height. Our menu height will be changed to 1024 pixel. Add an loop, for each loop element, add an callback, style all of them, element dot style dot text align is left, element dot style dot height is equal 100%. Element style font size will be on rem. Element style dot background is RGB 514351. Quotation is outside of these brackets. Add the loop for list item. It will be affected all of the list item. Li dot for each element dot style dot display is equal block block element dot style dot text align is left, dot style dot margin is equal 15 pixel 15 pixels. Okay, that's all for the JavaScript code. Let me explain the JavaScript code. At the beginning, we are selecting all elements that we need to style. We need to declare the function this is style elements inside this first if statement, style elements. Okay, when window width will be 768, this event will be work. When we will click on this icon means the icon we selected from HTML, that is this ID. To look for if statement. If this condition is true, then it will add some style on undecorated list, and if the condition is false, it will add some style on icon, menu and undecorated list. Just go to style, what we have comment out here, just remove the comment, save it. Okay, reload the page once again. It will work perfectly on mobile device as well. Just click on this menu, it will change the text to close, and if I just click on this close, it will be changed to menu.